Nice. You're hired.
Chef, it's been very nice, but I'm gonna just... This is art to me.
It is good.
And it just tastes like New York. Brooklyn, sorry.
You know, you and I have one thing in common. People that actually have a passion for what they do, it's never a job.
So many of our customers, they come in and they say, please don't go anywhere. We'd be lost without you.
Wow.
We need napkins for her.
I don't care.
The words authentic and traditional are banned from this restaurant.
Well, I have to say, you sure speak the language of food beautifully.
Smile when you shake, 12 shakes.
Okay.